Window of imagination. Aetherography, open the nature and bring it indoor. Today, Meir Martin are pulling back the curtain on a monumental milestone in modern art, the largest bird artwork in the world, created by Martin. This breathtaking piece reflects a deep, honest love for the natural world, capturing the calm and wonder of the outdoors and seamlessly bringing it directly into an indoor space. Through a unique style pioneered by Martin known as Aetherography, a staggering 20-minute span of photographing nature is compressed and woven onto a single canvas. Aetherography captures motion, light, and time itself, creating a living tapestry where real wildlife and boundless imagination meet. Because true love for nature shows genuine honesty, this project connects with people on a profound level. The scale of this project is mind-blowing. Built from a file scaled to perfection at 300 dpi, when displayed at 64 inches high, this massive digital wall stretches an astonishing 400 inches across. And right now, the largest bird artwork in the world is officially in the process of being revealed. Meir Martin has turned his own home into a bird gallery. To visit his location, please contact Meir Martin for an appointment. Are you ready for this? What do you think about it?